Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Call Hang Up Siri and what it does on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then, let me just go back to the main page. Again, open settings, swipe down, go to the Siri and search, and then go to the Call Hang Up. So if you turn on this feature and you're going to say, "Hey Siri, hang up," during the call, this is going to hang up the FaceTime calls and the phone calls. But keep in mind that when a call is connected, voice input is processed on iPhone and transcripts and audio are not sent to the Apple, so it means that you're safe, your phone calls are not tracked by Apple. So this feature, if you turn on it and you're going to say this one right here, so "Hey Siri, hang up," during the call, this is going to end the call. So now it is on. Now it is off. If it's off, if you say this, nothing is going to happen during the call. So again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, go to go to the Siri and search, then go to the Call Hang Up, and now you have this feature on and off. So this is it. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!